pain demands to be felt. It makes no exceptions, no special treatment. If it wants you, it will take you into the depths of hell and back, showing no mercy, burning every ounce of hope you thought you had. But the worst has to be over. When there's nothing left but ash and smoke, there's a chance to rebuild something better, stronger. And next time pain comes to collect, because it will.